Most people think the rich get lucky, but money doesn't grow by accident. Wealthy people follow rules that multiply their money even when they're not working. Today, you're about to learn those rules and how you can use them starting today. Let's open the door to wealth. Welcome to Wealth Open, where you learn finance, trading, and investment strategies that help you build real financial freedom. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Let's get straight into it. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before investing. Rule 1. Money must work harder than you. The poor work for money. The rich make money work for them. Wealthy people do not let money sit still. They put it into systems that grow, even while they're asleep. Examples: savings that earn real interest, index funds, dividend stocks, real estate and REITs, digital assets. If your money isn't growing, it's shrinking. The first rule of wealth is never leave your money idle. Rule 2, focus on systems, not hustle. The average person thinks the answer is to work harder. The wealthy think the answer is to build systems, income that doesn't depend on effort. Systems include automated investment deposits, digital products, monetized skills, rental income, compounding positions. Hard work builds stability. Systems build wealth. Rule 3. Compounding is king. This is the one rule most people ignore. Compounding is the force that grows little money into big wealth, slowly, quietly, consistently. Examples: reinvesting dividends, automatic ETF growth, long-term crypto DCA, reinvesting profits. You don't need big money to start. You need time and consistency. Rule 4. Multiple streams of income. No wealthy person depends on one income. They create stability with many streams, then multiply money across all of them. Examples: main job plus side skill, trading plus investing, real estate plus digital income, consulting plus business. Rule 5. Knowledge is an asset. Wealthy people never stop learning. They understand something simple: the more you know, the more you grow. They invest in courses, books, mentorship, financial education, skill development. You can lose money. You can't lose knowledge. Rule 6. Avoid debt that doesn't pay you. Debt is not bad. Bad debt is bad. Poor people use debt to consume. Rich people use debt to build. Wealthy people avoid high-interest loans, consumer debt, impulse purchases. They embrace debt for assets, debt for business, debt for growth. If it doesn't put money in your pocket, it is not worth the debt. Rule 7. Take calculated risks. Wealth grows outside your comfort zone. But the rich don't take blind risks. They take educated ones. They learn before investing. They test small. They protect downside. They diversify. They think long-term. The rich win not because they take risks, but because they take smart risks. Powerful summary: the rich don't follow magic. They follow rules. Money must work for you. Build systems. Trust compounding. Create multiple incomes. Invest in knowledge. Avoid bad debt. Take calculated risks. If you follow these rules faithfully, your money will multiply. Slowly at first, then suddenly. If you want me to break down any of these wealth rules in a full tutorial, comment below. Teach me the rules. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to Wealth Open, the place where you learn how to make your money work for you.